compound interest, we always have to have our original percentage, which is 100%, and we add on our new one, which is 4%, because we're told he's paid 4% compound interest per year. So each year he gets 104%. Then what we need to do is put that as a multiplier. So that means put it as a decimal. And if we put percentage to decimal, we divide by 100, so we get that. Now, hopefully we know that our compound interest formula is original times multiplier to the power of number of years. That's such an important formula that you must remember and know how to use. So if we're using this amount, our original is 4,500, our multiplier is 1.04, and we're told he does it for 2 years. Then what you do is you just chuck that on the calculator and you get the answer of £4,867.20. This one's a bit trickier, this one, so I've already written the formula just to save a bit of time. So the car depreciates at a value of 35% a year. So therefore, the original, we do not know the original because that is our unknown. So our original times our multiplier. Okay, well, to get our multiplier, we need to do our original percentage, and remember it's minus because it's depreciating. So we take off 35, which gives us 65%. Therefore, as a decimal, it's 0.65. So that's what our multiplier is. And our n is only 1 because it's only 1 year. And then our new amount, we're told that there is 5460. Therefore, in order to find our x, what we're going to need to do is put this on the other side. So we need to do the opposite of the times, which is divide. So we're going to do 4560 divided by 0.65, which would give us 5460 divided by 0.65, we would get 8,400. So we know that he invests that amount. So that is our initial amount. Okay, we now need to work out this multiplier. Well, in order to get that multiplier, we take our original percentage and we have our new one. So this is 5%, and it's interest. Therefore, we need to add that 5% on. So we get 105%. But remember, a multiplier is always as a decimal, so we just divide that by 100. So now we can put that in here, 1.05, and our power for that, because it says it's for 3 years, so our power is 3. So then what we do is you just put that in the calculator, and we get that the value of the investment is 2,315.25. Now, okay, so if we're looking at this next one, very similar to the top one, we're going to use this formula again. So our initial amount this time is 154,500. Okay, we now need to work out this multiplier again. So it's 4% interest. So we have to always have that 100 because that's our original percentage plus our interest gives us 104%. Then what we do is to get it as a multiplier, we have to divide by 100 because a multiplier is always as a decimal. So our multiplier is 1.04, and our power for that is 2 because we're told it's for 2 years. Therefore, if we put that in the calculator, we get the answer of £167,107.20. So that's the final answer for